Rocky Maran. Welcome to Rocky Maran. So today we are going to do a video that's very surprise. So before going to the video, I have bought a gel sanitizer. Last video I brought a spray. This is a gel. This is petrova sanitizer. I am recommending you this. This is also nice. I am using both of them. You can try this. Link will be description below. So guys, let's go to the video. Before going to the video, like my channel, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell icon for more and new videos and new updation. And stay tuned. Let's go. Guys, come back to the video. So now you will be thinking, what are we going to do today's video? So today I have a surprise for you. This is the one. We are going to do a review on Samsung Galaxy S71 and we will just a short unbox. I already unboxed it. So let's unbox it and we will also review it. Okay, so guys, let's unbox it. So guys, today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S71. So let's unbox it. So I have already unboxed it, so there's no issue, no times also. So guys, let's before that we'll read the back. There's nothing. So there's no description of the phone. In the usual Samsung Galaxy S series and all, it will come. For this, nothing. It's full blank. One sticker is there, and other all is there. Okay, so guys, let's unbox. So guys, this is the phone, and this one is the, I think they usually have one cover, the transparent cover. I think maybe that will be. Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, this is the cover, and this is the cover. This is the transparent cover, and they have a warranty card. Then they have a quick manual start. I think this is another language. Okay guys, and this is for the SIM toolkit. So guys, let's take our phone. So this is the phone. Okay, so this is the phone, and this is 128 GB version, 8 GB RAM, 4G, and this is the charger. This is 18-volt adapter, and this is the, it's USB-C type, and this is the headset, normal headset only, no buds and all. There will be no extra buds. Yeah, there's no extra buds. Okay, so guys, let's go to the phone. Everything will be there. So this is the phone. So let's switch off. I have everything set it. So yeah, this is the usual logo. It will come, the Samsung Galaxy A70. So it's usually same startup for every Samsung phones. So guys, let's wait. Yeah, and this is the phone, and yeah, so, and they don't have a special Bixby switches and all. Usually I think in A9 there's one switch over here, but for this, no. Instead of that, we should long press this, and there's one clock. It's always on. Yeah, that is also coming. That's feature also now coming. So guys, let's on it. So we should swipe up, and this 4K picture I downloaded from the Google. I'll give you the link description below. So this is the phone. Before that, first I'll start with the start screen. Usually it's swipe up in, okay. Oh, so that's the main highlight of this phone. In this phone, every phone's now it's coming with the swipe up type. So in the first, we can see that Galaxy Store, the gallery, and the Play Store, and the Google, and other things. And we can only slide this thing like this. Note that down will not move. And they have this recently opened apps. You can close it like this, and then they have a home button. This, instead of clicking like this, just click like that, it will move. And this is 4500 mAh, and and 6.5-inch retina display, or this is AMOLED plus capacity display, and it's coming 4500 mAh and 8 GB RAM and 18-volt fast charging, and also 5G supporting, and with 5G supporting, and the camera of the back is 64 and 24, and this is quad camera, back 64 and 24, and I don't know other two, and front it's a punch hole camera, that is 32 MB, so back 64, and I think it will have a better clarity because it have 64. Will be having camera testers and all. Okay, so this is just a part 1. Okay, part 2 I'll upload later. So the part 1 is just a review of this phone, and you have other apps, and I think this is released on 2020 January 3rd, and 4 colors are coming: prism blue, prism pink, and no, prism blue, and it's coming with diamond cut. You can see over here there's one diamond cut. Okay, prism blue, then pink, then black and white. These are the 4 colors available for this, and dual SIM it's coming, and you can insert memory also, and Snapdragon 730 and Qualcomm 730, and then it's coming, and it have a headphone jack over here, and it's USB-C type, and yeah, and the Bixby, I said you first, you don't have any special switches for that, so when we press this long time, Bixby will come. So that's a Bixby, and also you can now also you can do many things on this, and it's 90 Hz display. I don't know. Okay, like that. And this is the phone, you can see, and this is quad cam, and okay, these are the features, and also this is coming 6.5-inch retina display, and also this this is for video shooting 1080 and 4K also supporting. These both are supporting. Then slow-mo, macro, everything is there. There are many options. These are the options. Look, there are video, more, like when we click the more, there are many things like Panamera, macro, night, pro, super slow-mo and slow-mo, hyperlapse, food, and all. You can try this, and I think this is the best. I think this has a nice camera that we'll test later. So guys, I'm ending my video. Before ending my video, like my channel, subscribe, and share my video, and hope you like this video. And before ending the video, the link will be description below of the Samsung Galaxy A71 8 GB RAM, prism blue color, and also it is coming in other 4 colors. So guys, thank you.